stop what you're doing right now. We've got something important for you to see.
5 things.
5. Oh, 5 things.
Bob and Brad, the 2 most famous physical therapists on the internet.
What we're going to do is help you relieve pain in your body, neck, and arms. 5 different posture checks while you're seated.
And back.
And what?
And your back.
And the back as well. We've got to protect the back. Have you ever gotten so involved working at your computer and you find yourself in extreme pain here, here, and back here? Well, maybe this is why.
This is bad.
Number 1 thing is the height of the computer screen. We have it here. It's very low. We're going to show you where it should be. If your screen is low like that, you need to get it up. And you can see we raised it up. Look at this.
What a bit.
Yeah, 9 inches.
Oh, wow.
The way you check it is if you sit in a chair, good posture, and you take a line across from your eyeballs, it should at least hit the top of the screen,
Right.
even maybe lower into the screen. The next thing you definitely want to do is, if you're using a laptop, is get a separate keyboard. Wireless, works nicely. So your arms are down, your head is up, your body is straight. It's going to make a tremendous difference on the neck and back pain. All right, Bob, number 2, look at your arm position while you have the keyboard here. I've got the wireless keyboard, which is good, but it's way too far in front of me. Your humerus, your upper arm should be vertical.
Vertical. Right.
So I'm going to need to pull this in. I've got vertical upper arms. That humerus is vertical. Bring this in where you need to so you can see the screen. And then your lower arm should be horizontal as
Or
opposed
level.
to up like this. Or you can actually go lower.
Right.
That's okay.
Yep.
But not anything above horizontal.
Right.
Wow. Bob, this is a whole ergonomic class.
Well done.
Okay, Bob, I have to apologize. I jumped the gun. Number 3 was keeping your forearm level. We covered that. The next one is if your keyboard, like this is a very low profile flat keyboard.
Or thin.
Thin, that's good. It keeps your wrist right here in that neutral position. Some keyboards are elevated. I'm going to demonstrate this by putting it on this box. And now I'm down here and you can see my wrist is curved up.
Not good for carpal tunnel.
Yeah, exactly. The old carpal tunnel is going to kick in after some time. If this is a case and it's not on a box, it's built like that, it's made like that, simply they make cushions. We've got a cushion right here, and it's actually comfortable on your
On the
palm.
wrist, right.
Yep, and now I've got a neutral position. It takes weight off the arms as well and the shoulders, so this is a nice,
You
easy
look
fit.
set,
Yep.
man. You look
I'm
set.
feeling pretty set, Bob. We got one more, though.
Oh, yeah.
Now, the 5th one doesn't apply to anybody, but if you sit in your chair and you're too short and your feet are not flat on the ground, so the weight of your legs is going through your feet while they're flat, you might be on your tippy toe, or you may even be swinging your feet. You definitely need to put in a riser on the floor. We got a Pete's
foot
Choice.
rest.
I had a person that worked with me. She just had a little wooden thing that her husband made at home. Put that there. And boy, does that make a difference. It allows the circulation through your legs to go to your feet much more, minimize swelling, pain, the whole works. You feel so much better. Bob, was that 5?
That's it. 5.
5 things to keep yourself happy while you're sitting at work or whatever you're doing while you're sitting. You know what I mean. It could be anything, whatever.